On the night of March 21st, the streets of Melinggih Kelod village were filled with joy and enthusiasm as the community celebrated Pengrupukan Day, which means to make noise in Balinese. The community livened up the streets with gamelan music and dancing, as both children and adults carried the amazing Ogoh-Ogoh figures. This procession is an important event in Balinese culture, and it involves the entire community. The Ogoh-Ogoh figures were an incredible sight to behold. These towering statues were intricately handcrafted with colorful appearance and frightening features, designed to scare away all evil spirits. The procession was watched by both young and old, as the community came together to celebrate their culture and tradition. As the night came to an end, the excitement and joy of Pengrupukan Day gave way to the stillness of Nyepi, also known as Silent Day. But for this one night, the streets of Melinggih Kelod were filled with life and energy, in readiness for the Balinese New Year.